Hey, hello. Hello, YouTube. We are back again with another video. I know that I've been doing a lot of nail videos, but I love them. I love everything about nails. So you're going to be getting a lot of DIY content on that and just products in general. um, Today I am doing a quick review and swatch test of the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Sour Patch Kids collection. Now, this particular collection was released like a little bit before, excuse me, Halloween, but I did not get it until recently. I found this line at my local Walgreens in the physical store, not online or anything. And I walked in, and the day after Halloween, all of these were marked down to $1.44 each. Now, my local Walgreens that is closest to me, they had all of these. So these six colors here were available for $1.44 each. Really cool story, just really quick. I went to another Walgreens up the road because they said they had one of these in stock, the orange one, and it was actually I couldn't find it when I went in the store, so I was moving around nervously because I'm like, oh my gosh, I need the orange in order to complete my set. And somehow I walked around the aisle and I saw the one bottle there, and it was one of those things where you sort of kind of hear the go off, and I was like, yes, I got it. So then I went up to the checkout and I asked the young lady that was there, I said, hey, I just came from my other store. I had my receipt with me showing her that all of these were marked down to $1.44 at the other Walgreens. And I said, this one didn't have any indicator on it for it stating that it was on sale, but I wanted to know if it is on clearance since the other ones were at your other store. So she contacted her manager. Her manager ended up essentially saying no. So that meant this bottle was like around five something. I don't remember the exact amount, maybe closer to about $6. And during that time, I she was like, okay, well, do you still want it? And I was like, well, yeah, I need it in order to complete the set. I can't just have the sixth and not the seventh one. So while I was standing there talking, and this is why it's so important to always keep the faith in life in general, and just to be a good person, because as I'm getting ready to check out, I had stepped out of the line so that other people could check out as normal, so I wasn't holding up the line while the cashier had checked with her supervisor about the pricing. So as I get back in line to check out, and the I told the young lady that I wanted to get it to complete my set. The woman that was behind me said, "Don't worry about it. I'll pay for it." And I just thought to myself, like, wow, like, and I thanked her, and if she's watching this, thank you again. Like, people are just so amazing, and it just always there's always something to reaffirm, like the goodness in the world and in people too. And I was just so happy that I had the entire complete set. But and that's my little story time on that. And I'm going to get into this polish in a second, but I wanted to just go through and let you know all the names and give you a close up. So this right here, again, is from the Sour Patch Kids line, and this one is called Hallow Green, number 683. I'm not sure if you can see that or not with my lighting. The next one here, which is the purple one, I'm not purple, orange one, is called Pumpkin, and it is number 682. The purple one here is called RIP Purple, and it is number 680. This sparkle top coat is called First Sour Then Sweet, number 685. The blue one here is called Boo Hoo, and the number on that one is 686. The black one is called Ghouls Night Out, and my power just went out. We will pick this back up when it comes back on again. Okay, so we are back after that power outage, thankfully. And we're just going to keep rolling because that's what we do here. Okay, and my red one here is called the Unread, which is number 681. Hopefully you can see that there pretty well. So now we're going to get ready to swatch these. I will be honest and say that I have, immediately when I got these the same day, I went ahead and I put each color on a different nail. Now, mind you, I know better than to paint my nails without a base coat, but I was just so excited to try them out of the bottle like a newbie. I painted my nails anyway, and I learned my lesson. Out of all of these colors, the ones that had my nails looking so crazy, please, please, please use a base coat. The 683 Hollow Green, I use it on my pinky. It looked like I had a fungus after I took it off. The 682 Pumpkin, I had it on my ring finger here. That it was lightly stained, but it wasn't as bad as this one, but it was, you could see the orange tint in it. And the other one is Boulou 686. I may be pronouncing that wrong because I think I said Boulai earlier, which doesn't make any sense. It's Boulou number 686. I put that one on my middle finger, and oh my gosh, my finger was so stained. Out of all of them, these two, green and blue, stained like nobody's business. It was horrible. So please, I implore you to make sure that you wear a base coat with any of these. And I'm just going to do my swatch on just a sheet of regular white paper. Normally I would polish my nails, but I just took gel polish off in one of my other videos. And of course, you know, when you take the gel off, your nails aren't as strong because they have been covered for a period of time. So I want my nails to sort of kind of just, you know, get to the condition that they were before and give them a little breather. I'm going to take this off. This was also from another video as well. But I'm going to get ready to swatch these so that you can see. I'm going to start with 683, which is the Hollow Green. And as you can see, like, it's very nice and thick, which is why it coated that nail. Look at that. That's essentially one good stroke there. Pretty good coverage on that. All right, now we're going to go with the RIP Purple, number 680. This is one of my favorites. Purple actually happens to be like my favorite color. And you can see here, you also get pretty good coverage on that one as well. And these are all insta dry colors, so they dry rather quickly. This is 686 Bulu, or yeah, Bulu, as you can see. Nice and thick. All right. Looking good. All right, this is the one that the Good Samaritan gave me for free. This is Pumpkin. All right, beautiful. All of these look so bright and vibrant. Look at that. And of course, orange, you know, of course you have it for Halloween, but that easily can go right into Thanksgiving as well. Okay, you have the unread number 681. This one is beautiful as well too. Beautiful true red. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, and this is the Ghouls Night Out, which is like a little bottle of ironicness, as I was talking about it the last time my power went out. So let's hope, because it's raining here. All right. Now with that black, and me also painting on a white surface, it may come off as being a little bit gray, but it's not. It's really a beautiful true black. And since this green has dried primarily there, I'm going to take the number 685, which is first sour then sweet, as a top coat. And I think this is so friggin' adorable. It reminds you of like the topping on top of the Sour Patch Kids. All right. And see, look at that. That's from when I had painted blue over there, and it already has, I told you that blue, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like from the last time that I polished my nails, the blue came off and it just stained. Oh, that sucks. Oh, wow. I'm just trying to shake it up a bit. Oh, no. Okay. So, let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah, it's tinted like a skosh blue. All right. I'm going to try and get pretty good coverage with this top coat here on top of these colors. Now, I'll be honest, even though this top coat is very, very cute, the coverage as a glitter, it's not that great. But it's still, she's cute. She's cute, but I just like to see a little bit more. Hopefully you guys can see that there on those two. And that's my swatch test for all of the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Sour Patch Kids collection. While I was also at the Walmart, this is the one where the Good Samaritan is. I should probably go to, not Walmart, Walgreens. I should probably go to that location all the time. While I was there was another young lady that was in the back working, and I saw that she actually was going through the nail polishes. So I asked her about this particular nail polish and if they had it in stock. She wasn't able to find it before I found it. But she did tell me, she was like, oh, all of these are on clearance. They're on markdown. So I was like, shut up. So went up to the front. These polishes were 50, I think 52 cents each. And they are in excellent condition. So what if they are Easter nail polishes? I don't care. These are from the Insta Dry Sally Hansen Jelly Belly collection, which I'm assuming is from around Easter. It has that vibe to it. But 52 cents, you cannot beat that. So I said, oh, I will take both of these and try them out, even though technically these almost look similar, but they're like a shade sort of kind of off, just a little bit off. But you can't beat 52 cents. So that's why I have two greens. And then here, this one is my most favorite top coat glitter polish I have ever used so far in my life. Just the coverage of it. This is the Tutti Frutti number 673. And this one here is Green Apple number 667. And I will just be honest and say, like, this is after two coats. I don't know if you guys can see that there or not pretty well, but two coats. I would typically have to use like one of my cheaper top coats like 4 or 5 times to get even this amount of coverage on it. So I'm very happy with this purchase. I also love that you can put it literally. Oh wait, you see I use it a lot because some of the crust came up off of the bottle. You could use it on any color and it does well. This is on the blue, and you know how that blue is. It's very, very pigmented. And look at that. Look at the coverage. That was only literally 2 swipes of the Jelly Belly Insta Dry, and you see how amazing it looks. Good coverage. So yeah, if you are out and about and you happen to be at your local Walgreens, I would say stop in there. You never know what you're going to find. And definitely browse for these nail polishes. They are there, all of these different collections. I know my Walgreens always has them, or some sort of nail polish on sale. A lot of times it's like SC brands, but definitely check it out if you have them, a Walgreens near you. I want to thank you guys today for taking time out of your schedule just to watch my videos and to learn a little bit more. And I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.